Silent Hill F crashing right after the logo is one of the most frustrating problems PC gamers are facing right now. But don't worry. I'll walk you through advanced step-by-step fixes that actually work. You don't need to reinstall the game, and you can follow along with simple Windows settings and visuals I'll show on screen. First, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are the #1 reason Silent Hill F crashes right after launch. On NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience or download directly from their website. On AMD, use Adrenalin Edition. On Intel, grab the latest ARC or integrated drivers. Make sure to perform a clean installation to replace broken files. Third, verify your game files. In Steam, right-click Silent Hill F, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity. This repairs missing or corrupted files that stop the game after the logo. Second, disable overlays. Steam, Discord, Xbox Game Bar. These often conflict with Silent Hill F during startup. Go into Steam settings, uncheck Enable Steam Overlay. In Discord, turn off Enable In-Game Overlay. This prevents crash loops before the menu even loads. Silent Hill F uses modern shaders, but some GPUs or drivers don't play well with DirectX 12. Open Steam Launch Options and add DX11. If you're already on DirectX 11, try DX 12. Switching the API often stabilizes crashes. Next, disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click the Silent Hill F executable in the Install folder. Choose Properties, go to Compatibility, and check Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Then also click Run as Administrator. This prevents Windows from interrupting the game during startup. If your system stutters and then crashes, it could be a memory allocation problem. Increase your virtual memory. Search Advanced System Settings in Windows. Under Performance, click Settings, Advanced, Virtual Memory. Set Custom Size with Initial Size, hux your RAM, and Maximum Size, double your RAM. This gives the game extra headroom. For some older hardware, running in Windows 8 compatibility mode helps. Go to the game's XE Compatibility tab, select Windows 8, apply, and test again. Silent Hill F relies on Visual C++ runtime libraries. If they're broken, the game crashes instantly after the logo. Download the latest x64 and x86 Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and reinstall them. If none of these work, open Windows Event Viewer. Search for Silent Hill F in the application logs. The error code tells you exactly what's failing: GPU, RAM, or missing DLL. Use that to target your fix instead of guessing. After applying these fixes, Silent Hill F should finally run past the logo and let you play without crashing. If this helped, drop a like and share your experience in the comments so others can benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more advanced PC gaming fixes.